What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel where we do shit COLTS way, and we gonna drink 1 or 2 lattes. Hello. I got a quick little video today. Not gonna be long at all. Most of my videos are way too long. I apologize, but what I'm gonna do today is usually every video that I show, everybody always wants it comments on my screen. How'd you get that Raptor on there? How'd you get that different? You know, it's an F250. Why does it say Raptor? Well, I was going to do a video on how to do it with ForeScan to change it permanently. I can't find my little ForeScan thing that plugs into the OBD2 port, so I ordered another one on Amazon. It'll be here in a couple days, and I'll do a full in-length video then about how to make it permanent. But I can show you how to change themes on the screen. You know, it won't be permanent. Like right now, every time I turn the truck on and off, it's the Raptor theme. But if I show you how to do it this way, or when I show you how to do it this way, it's not going to be permanent. So when you turn the truck off, you're going to have to, you know, the next time you turn it on, you're going to have to redo the theme. But at least it'll let you look through the themes and let you see which one you really like the best, and you can go from there. I'm going to be honest with you though, frickin' F250 kind of sucks in some aspects, like XLT versions. I don't know. Like I got an XLT, my passenger seat isn't powered. If you get an XLT F150, the passenger seat's powered. Just little shit like that. Like you pay 20, 30 grand more for the truck and it got less shit, but I guess we're paying for the engine. That's cool. But so the F150, I believe the themes actually change a little bit more than they do on the 250, but you still can scroll through and see which ones you like, and that way when I come back with a video about how to do it to make it permanent with ForeScan, you'll be able to already know which one you want, and it'll be a lot quicker. But let me get this phone turned around, crack this latte open, and we'll get to it, son. Hello. All right, let's get into this dang video. First off, grab your latte, crack it open, get you a good sip. If I just slurped in the video, I'm sorry. It was just so dang delicious. Secondly, you'll probably notice that my Glock 43 ain't here. I decided to retire it for the week or so. I'm carrying a Colt Gold Cup trophy. I do got to clean it up a little bit here. It's been in the safe. I don't know if condensation or something's been on it, but this is 1911 45. This is a beast. Yes, this Kojo magnet I've had in the last 3 trucks will hold this thing like nothing with a full clip of 45 bullets in it. Sorry, I was looking at my neighbor. I don't know what he's doing. Anyway, I'm gonna get right into this video. Almost every video that I post, it shows my screen on startup for some reason. I don't plan it that way, it just does it. And people always want to know, well, how'd you get that Raptor? How'd you get that Raptor? Okay. Son of a gun. Let me move this because it's in the way of my... sorry, I gotta shut my door real quick. So when I turn the truck on, the Raptor usually always pops up. Well, not always, usually it always does. Boom, I'm driving F250 Raptor. So I'm gonna show you how to, today, what I was gonna do was get my ForeScan dongle and plug it into the OBD2 port and show y'all how to change it permanently. Well, I can't show you that because I can't find the dongle. I done tore the whole damn house apart. I can't find it. So I'm going to show you how to do it temporarily. You can go through the different themes and see which one you want. And then when I do come back with the video, I ordered it on Amazon. It'll come here in a couple of days. I'll make the video, show you how to change the theme permanently so it's always Raptor or whatever. I can show you how to do Bambi mode. It's where you're driving with your high beams, and you can turn your fog lights on as well, because everybody wants to see better. I don't give a shit about the traffic coming at me. They better not flash me either, because they finna get COLTS way right back in their face. But Bambi mode's pretty legit. You can do high beams with your fog lights. Just helps you see better. Yeah, I guess I should care about other people's feelings more, but sorry I don't. So what I'm going to show you how to do real quick today is change the theme. So most people, when you go to settings, you're going to scroll over and you don't have nothing there. We're going to add an icon here. We're going to enable test settings. It's going to add an icon right there. So what you're going to do, I don't know if it's going to let me do it right now because I've had my truck on maybe too long, but see my thumb over here on this side of the video? You're going to press this right seek button. You're going to press this right seek button at the same time. Press and hold. Okay, this is going to come up. You don't have to go through all this test. Just end the test. So it's going to bring you up to this diagnostics section. So what you're going to do is go to testing settings. You're going to go to enable test settings. Okay, and you don't have to go to enable test settings, but in order to change the theme, you're going to have to press and hold both seek buttons every time you get in the vehicle. So if you enable it, if you enable the test settings, now, boom, I've got this testing settings icon right here. That means if I want to change the theme, because this isn't permanent, so every time you start the vehicle, you're going to have to change the theme you want until you get FORScan to do it permanently. And I'll do that. I'll show you how to do that eventually, but right now it's just a permanent fix, or not a permanent, what's the word I'm thinking? Temporary fix. So we enabled test settings, which gives us this icon. We push that. And here's the themes. You'll press these themes. You can scroll through all these different themes. Now, I'm almost positive before I went on FORScan and manually put the permanent Ford Raptor theme in here, like when I clicked some of these other themes, they were a little bit, they changed a little bit more than they do right now. I don't, see, this one looks the same. And I know on the F-150, some of them are quite a bit different. I don't know why, because it's the same thing. But, so let's see if I can get one, like one that's a little different. Okay, so we got purple now instead. So that damn sure ain't going to be what I want. But this red, transit purple, that color, green, whatever. Also, some XLTs I think have the climate button. Well, my XLT didn't, and I added this on FORScan. I can show you how to add that too. Now, everything doesn't work. Like the fan speeds, I can't control the fan speeds with that, but I can turn it on and off. I can put it on my face, my feet. I can do all that. I just can't control the fan speed. I still have to do that down here, which whatever. It didn't even have a climate screen, so I'm just glad to have it because I got a peasant ass truck, so I just feel so special now. But I can show you how to do that on FORScan as well too. Anyway, that's not what this video is about. So what we did, we held the two buttons down. We enabled test settings because whatever theme I pick, so like say I go down here and I want to be presidential and shit. So I click this Lincoln Presidential. The whole theme's going to change. So now I'm rocking with the Lincoln Presidential theme. Okay. Boom, it looks totally different. I mean, it's kind of fresh. So I can ride around like this as much as I want, but when I turn my truck off, it's going to go back to your factory theme, or the one you have preset via FORScan, and because this is just temporary. But I will show you how to do it permanent. So you can scroll through the themes you want over the next couple weeks or a week or two till I get the video up, pick which theme you want, and then that way when I show you how to do it permanently, you'll already know. It'll just, you won't have to sit there and, well, what theme do I want? So we'll leave it on this presidential theme real quick. So when I turn the truck off, I'm pretty positive the little Lincoln symbol is going to come up, but don't quote me on that. I hadn't really. We'll see. Oh, I gotta open the truck door. I'm sorry. So yeah, little Lincoln presidential, son. Damn. I'm feeling sweet with the Bush latte. But now, usually what happens is, now earlier today I was messing with this and it didn't do it. I had to like drive a little bit, but so it still saved this theme. But that's just because my truck wasn't started. I didn't move or anything. So if I crank the truck and drive, and the next time I turn it off, it's gonna actually fully reset it. It just didn't have time to fully reset it. Because I didn't drive or anything, but just know that it's only temporary. When I start it, okay, see, it's already went back to the Raptor. I'm glad I opened the door again. So like I said, this is just temporary. It's going to go right back to the same old theme that I had, the blue. But you know, y'all, if you don't mind getting in here every time and changing the theme, and you don't want to have to buy the it's either $30 or $60 Bluetooth dongle to change it. Well, I mean, hell, it ain't hard to do that. And if you enable the test settings like I showed you, you don't have to press the two seek buttons. You just get in the damn truck settings, boom, boom. By the time the sumbitch, your phone even hooks up to it, you've already got the theme changed. So we'll go down here to the, we'll go Lincoln Black Label, son. So I think it's the same as the presidential. But so we'll turn it off real quick and see. I don't know if this one, yeah, it just said, oh, damn. Well, I'm feeling fresh in the Black Label, son. But look, that's all this video was. It ain't no in-depth video because I don't have the FORScan stuff right now. I've ordered it. I searched the house all day today. Let me see if I can figure this out. I got a gimbal, and we'll see if I can figure out how to, trying to be all cool and stuff with my gimbal. I guess you got to be smart to work this thing. Well, I ain't smart, but look, guys, just a quick video today. I will show you how to do this permanently. But until the next video, I appreciate y'all watching. Please like and sub if you haven't. If you got any other questions, hit me up. I'll do my best to make a video on it. But until then, drink them lattes, son. God bless.